Ako po si Nikko Ong, Tagalawag City, Ilocos Norte. Ang pinagkakabalaan ko ngayon ay pagtulong sa business ng family business namin. At nakita niyo na rin ako sa previous episode ng Ilocos Catch na naglalaro din ako ng Tamiya. At saka ito yung additional na iba sa additional hobbies ko. Ito po is it's about Furry Fandom. Actually, po siya, na-establish siya since late 70s, early 80s. Hindi ko alam kung ano eksaktong year. It's about love for an animal who stands, walks, and talks like a human being.
My name is Harue, or known as Harue in YouTube, and I'm a fursuiter sa Furry Fandom ng Pilipinas, and I'm also an organizer of Fur, which is a furry convention that is currently happening right now.
My name is Carl in reality, pero usually mga tao or people that know me call me Verse or Fursuit. Well, I am an artist. I do that for a living, and I also kind of make fursuits, specifically protogens.
My name is C. Loki Bread, and I'm an artist and a fursuiter as well, and I'm a furry.
I think nag-start to nung a year before pre-pandemic, bale that was I think late 2019 para sa akin. Nung nakita ko to, then tumingin-tingin ako kung hindi lang ako yung parang ganito na may kakaibang hobby. At nalaman ko na marami pala kami. Hindi lang pala ako.
Well, ito kasi is yung time na nagkaroon ng pandemic. And at first is wala akong makuha ng trabaho kasi dahil sa pandemic na bankrupt siguro na yung workplace ko, nagkaroon ng problema. So like I have to find ways na kahit nasa bahay lang ako ay magkakapera ako. So at first is make arts, and apparently yung pinaka-common is furry. So like mga anthro animals ganun. I-draw yung characters nila for money. So that's called commission. And yep, napaisip ako and I did that for almost 1 year and 8 months hanggang ngayon. So like dun na build yung love ko sa fandom na ito.
I've been in the furry fandom for 2012 and it started long ago, mga 2010. Kasi 2010 nakita ko isang YouTuber na animator na she draws feral animals or feral dogs having funny animations, like parang mga animes, usually animes, yung anime characters nagsasabi nun, pero pinapalitan niya yung mga heroes, yung sila mismo yung nagsasalita instead yung heroes. So, nakumaling ako, it's cute, it's nice, it's kinda unique to, like, rather than mismong bida ang inaatupag nyo, yung side characters na or yung mga animals na yung mismong, yung spotlight. Parang maganda yung feeling na sila na may spotlight.
Back in 2019, na hindi ko pa alam yung furry fandom na curious lang ako kasi nakita ko to sa internet, and like yung parang nagustuhan mo, yung parang interesado ka lang na curious to see na ano yung mga ginagawa nila and stuff.
Nakita ko kasi dito kasi sa Pilipinas, syempre hindi tayo ganun ka, I mean, nasa third world country tayo. So niisip ko rin kasi is since nasa fandom na rin ako, I want to help other fellow furries, that's what we call them, that's what we call kami na makagawa ng mga fursuit, mascot, costume, kung whichever you want to be called, na sa murang halaga na pasok sa budget ng mga Filipino.
Oh, yung mga bagay na achieve ko right now is like creating a convention like Fur, and as well as helping yung past conventions before, organizing and giving them some tips kung ano yung magandang events, kung ano pa yung mga pwede natin ilagay sa furry fandom to make them even more happy with the current fandom sa Pilipinas, and as well as sharing or spreading the word ng furry. So, ang ginagawa ko is that since I'm a fursuiter, I wear my fursuit and going to like places like BGC or Star City, and minsan malapit sa tarangkahan namin, nagbibihis ako ng persona ko, yung character ko. Then, once nakabihis na ako ng ganon, I'm spreading the word like, mayroong taong may hobby na to. There are people who are fans of anthropomorphic animals, not just me, and I may able to book para ma-hook ko yung ibang tao na, meron palang ganitong hobby. Parang gusto ko mag-join yata, parang unique niya, parang saya. Magbihis ka ng animals and bring happiness sa ibang tao.
As of now, actually, it's pretty leveled. Hindi siya going up, I think, para sa akin. Kasi I'm leaning towards sa second hobby ko, which is, I'm not even sure if it's called a hobby, which is this, gumagawa ng ganito.
Okay.
So like, Yeah, siguro pwede ko siyang i-balance. Minsan arts, minsan eto, ganito. Friends and family, I think most of them already know kung ano yung ginagawa ko. They support and yep, they very much support me.
Ano lang kasi mostly kasi is yung iba is nahihiyang ipakita yung mga faces nila. That's why some of them bought fursuits from fursuit makers like I am. Para maitago yung mukha nila, para ma-express nila yung yung gusto nila, yung kung ano man yung gusto nilang gawin na hindi nila magawa na out of suit. Kasi minsan kasi nakakahiya or parang hindi maganda tingnan sa ibang tao na parang gusto mo rin maging parang maging bata na hindi mo naramdaman noon.
Picture, libre picture. Picture.
parang pag went out ka ng public at saka gusto mo lang i-make yung mga ibang taong day nila na maging masaya, na parang make them happy, ayun yung masasabi.
Nakagawa ko ng ibang identity other than that. Like, it kind of shows your inner self. So, may tinatawag kami na persona. So, furry siya, pero persona siya. A persona is like, more like animal spirit mo. Kasi, it's really different how people draw their persona. Most of them mix their characters. Medyo weird, merong iba, dragon na nga sila, bear pa sila, mini-mix nila. Yung iba, rabbit, pero wolf sila. Which is, it reflects on their personality. Yung fur color nila down to the fur pattern, nakikita mo yung individuality mo dun sa character na yon. And the things you can't do in real life, you can actually project it through your persona, your character. Parang, oh, this character resonates with me really well. Ganito siya, ganito ako, who I am inside. Pero in public, if I'm human, tinatago ko yun. Parang yung persona mo, that's who you are.
I think it's more of it's probably both passion and yung hobby, pero there's also added may addition din siya na passion kasi like I kind of like it's a hobby where ang dami kong nagiging na friends and yeah, most likely nagiging na friends pero sunod-sunod na yun friends, commissioners, ganun. So, yeah.
So far, may mga nag-commission na rin sa akin. Some of them, naka-NDA lahat. Non-disclosure agreement. Ayaw nilang pasabi kung sino sila. Yung iba na i-deliver ko na rin. Pero, syempre, ayaw rin nila pabanggit. So, hindi ako masyado nagpo-post masyado sa page ko. Pero ngayon, meron akong isang nakausap na client na is willing naman na he doesn't want to say his name. Pero willing naman niya i-share sa inyo yung ginagawa ko na suit para sa kanya.
The Furry Fandom is actually a fun community, and especially if you're in the creative side. If napakiramdam mo like I can't draw, you don't have fursuits or what, don't think about it. If you wanted to join the fandom, you're welcome to. Kasi nga ang persona lalabas na lang yan, kusa. Kasi it's like katauhan mo yun nilalabas na lang bigla. So it's like you wanna draw something bigla, tapos sketch mo na lang without thinking you have drawn your character na lang na I have drawn a bear, I have drawn a wolf, ganun siya. And don't worry about the fandom. It's really fun. It's really a creative space where everyone can explore their creative sides. You can express it to music, even writing. May storyboard din tayo, and you can also express it in arts, different kinds of arts, traditional or digital pa. And if you are really good at sewing, you can create your fursuits just like Nikko and Jhouvres. Pwede nyo magawa yun. And the fandom is all about creativity. Hindi ka maubusan ng idea. Pwede ko pa kayo magdagdag.
Well, I'd say go for it kasi in the long run you'll meet a lot of friendly people, and you might even find maybe a partner, or you can start a business specifically related to fandom. So there's a lot of opportunities based on this fandom.
Visit Piano Creation sa Facebook, meron ako sa Twitter, meron din ako sa Instagram. Nandun po yung terms of service ko para sa paggawa ng costumes. It can be your costume para sa tindahan nyo, resorts, kung meron kayong character na gustong gawin, gagawa natin ng paraan. Tsaka paki-like and share na rin ang Ilocos Catch sa YouTube. Ay, sa wakas, tapos na. Uy, salamat sa pagtayo dyan.